Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of the foundation routine that I did before in the previous week. This is the second version where I share the eye look using just one eyeshadow. This has become my favorite thing to do when I don't have time, where you can kind of create the illusion that you have got multiple eyeshadows, but not really. It's just one eyeshadow, and that's what I do in this video. And yeah, and want to keep it sweet and short and simple. So if you want to know how I create this intense looking eye look with just one eyeshadow and a liner and mascara, then keep on watching and I'll show you all the products I use, how I use them, all that good stuff. So without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to go in straight into my eye look because I've already got the base on. If you want to see how I created this base, it's super easy and super minimalistic, very matte look. I'll put the link up here. I think it'll pop up in here. If not here, probably up there. So you can click on it to see and check it out. And also I'll put the link down below so you can check that out after the video is finished. So for today's look, I'm gonna go in my brown sugar palette. This is by Colourpop. This is one of my favorite palettes ever. One, because it has all the nice browns that I like on my skin. Two, the quality of this palette is really, really nice, and you can still create so many different looks from these 9 colors. So today, however, I'm only going to use one color. And I'm going to use this color right here. This is called Choc. And I'm going to use this for my whole eyes. Just one color. Nothing else. So I need to get the right brush. I am only going to use one sort of blending brush. This one is just a generic one. And that's it. Okay. So first, I'm going to start off with a very light pack of color. Can barely see it either. So I'm just going to use the brown here. And you can see there's not much on here. And I'm still going to tap off the excess. And I'm going to start off with my crease. So I'm going to start putting the color in my crease and define my crease. And you can do this with any color that you like. It could be blue, green, whatever color that you want to try this with. I'm trying with brown because one, I like a nice brown color. Two, just it seems more wearable for day and nighttime. So as you can see, I'm just keep on defining my crease. And you can go back and forth and add a little bit more color. So I'm using very little and I'm adding it on and defining my crease more and more and buffing out any harsh lines. That's why a blending brush is so good, because you can pack the color plus also blend it out. Alright, now that we have defined our creases and we've got this blank space right here, I'm going to go in with the brown again, the chocolate brown. And I'm just going to pack that color quite harshly on my eyelid. And I'm using the same brush to do that. Just make sure you don't have any fallout. So you're not moving the brush too much. You're just packing it on so that the color stays where you actually put it. Just like that. And now, just make sure that it's all clean. And I'm just going to start buffing that color with my crease. And it's going to be super easy because it's one color, it's the same color, so they're going to blend out quite nicely. I went quite harshly with the color, obviously, because I wanted like a dark sort of brown. But if you go very lightly, it'll be a lighter version of the color. I'm quickly going to do the same thing on the other eye. And now I'm going to take a flat brush, take the same chocolate color, tap off any extra. And I'm just going to press that color on my lower lashes. And I'm going to go just where my lashes stop. And this is it. Now I'm going to go in and do my eyeliner. For my eyeliner, I'm going to go in, of course, my Lakme liquid. Actually, I've got a Fenty one that I really like. Now I'm going to stick with this. So I'm going to go and just put a thin line. And I'm not going to do a wing, I'm just going to go across my lash line. Alright, so basically what I've done is follow the natural curve of my eye. You can do anything you like with your eye shape. This is what I want to do. And now I'm going to take the liner again and just draw a very thin line underneath my lash line. So where my lashes are actually coming out from, I'm just going to draw a thin line there. I love this look. I'm like obsessed with it. So yeah, this is how I create it. I'm going to do my other eye. Now I'm going to do my lashes, and I'm going to go in with my Shiseido lash curler. And I'm going to go in with my Telescopic mascara. This is by L'Oreal. I love this mascara, one of my favorites, because it's just like a comb and you just comb your lashes through. Alright, I'll quickly do my brows while my lashes are drying. I'll be right back. Alright, now I'm gonna go do my lashes. Alright, my lashes are on. If you see your lash band, you can put your eyeliner on and cover it. You can also merge your fake lashes with your actual one by putting your mascara and going through your real and fake lashes. I'm not going to do it because I quite like how they are not intense and they look nice, but obviously you don't have to do what I'm doing. You can do what you want to do. And yeah, so I'm going to go and find me a lippy. Probably keep it a bit more brownie nude. That's my jam because of the eyes. And I'll be right back. Alright, this is the final look, and I've just put Colourpop lipstick. My lips are so dry because I did put something on and I didn't like it with the whole look, so I changed the lip color and now my lips are super duper dry. But yeah, this is the eye makeup look. This is what it looks like, and very easy, very simple. Yeah, it's just one color. If you've got a super easy base, as I said, check out the base video where I do this foundation routine. So super quick, so super easy, and yeah, this is it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Maybe you found it helpful. Hopefully this will give you an idea how you can create a beautiful eye look with one color. It's just about intensity. Obviously, you don't have to put fake lashes on. That is completely up to you. My lips feel super dry. I feel like I can't even speak right now. But yeah, do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video if you liked the video. Comment down below if you have any suggestions or say hello. Share this video with someone who would also find this video helpful. And yeah, until next time, I've got a ring light now. I'm so happy because now I can create looks. Yeah, it's super exciting. So, hope you guys have a beautiful day. Be happy and be positive. I'll see you guys later. Bye.